Definitely was the right choice. I've been looking at this school for a year before I came, and I finally had the time where I wasn't overwhelmed with my job. I was able to branch out and look into more things. It definitely feels like where I should be. Of course. I don't think I could have even applied to machining jobs without the school first. I mean, I knew some stuff that I taught myself, but that's not even a drop in the bucket compared to what I learned in the school. The one-on-one class really did put a fantastic foundation of knowledge down that made me confident that I could go forth and apply to entry-level machining jobs without worrying about it.